Click the link in the description and watch the completed shorts. Plus, learn how to monetize and launch your own turnkey recipe shorts network with a free step-by-step video tutorial.
Be an amazing hero for 4th of July. Italian hot dogs all in one device. Amazing, amazing at MyGrillie.com. Put your French fries, your onions, peppers, and hot dogs in one device.
Hey guys, it's Kerry Bringle from the Peg Leg Porker here in Nashville, Tennessee. Quick and easy recipe for you on the grill if you like fish. I got a little piece of salmon right here.
Make sure you sear these 5 minutes on every side. After I sear the meat, I'm gonna actually sear the bay leaves and the garlic.
Dry aged beef this lap. Tap it dry and get the fire. Beauty.